Nice stutter there. You can give her a search cue if you want. Where is it? If she's searching, she's searching. You don't have to say that. But if she's staring at you, not doing anything, then you can say it. Good. And keep a little bit of movement going. There you go. All right, there she goes again. Like, what? Who was here? That's different. Smell? Yeah. Kona added some dog odor to the floor.
Where's it? Was that, she didn't look at me, did she?
No, that's okay. Just kind of hang out there. Oh, I know. It's weird. Where is it? And stay engaged with her, so you don't need to look away from her. There you go. And just start moving around. There you go. There, perfect. You can... There, I would take that.
Good girl.
Try not to do the yes, though. Because the yes is you're doing it when she's already just staring at you.
Well, that's our marker.
I know, we don't really want the marker.
I'll try to.
I know it's super hard.
Where?
If you... So, if it's difficult, sometimes it's easier for people to pick a different word. Like good,
Where else?
or super, or just an arbitrary word that's not your marker word. Because one, it proofs off your marker word. And then it's also not, we're usually not marking the point that we want to mark.
Yeah.
That's good try. Where is it? Try not to step towards her. Good. There you go. There. Perfect.
Alert.
Yay!
Good girl. And you said the black tube back here, right?
It is.
Oh.
And you don't have to kill yourself. Just treat in that general direction.
Did you catch that? I already messed up again. Don't use your marker word.
You didn't.
2 seconds later.
You didn't.
Oh, you didn't hear it? I did.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Okay, where else?
You said alert.
Oh. I remember that part. To be honest, I'm finding this incredibly difficult.
That's fine.
Just because I'm trying to really, do my part better.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
Right?
Nice, nice.
Where
Good
is
girl. Good timing.
What is it? Alert.
There.
Yay! Good job. Oh boy.
That's fine. She's going for the